my fun jobs. I'm going to be showing you all about this day. I'm going to be showing you something like I made today, like this video, I made both of these.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Let me show you this one. You can just see the front.
Gosh. Yeah, it's not a good one. No.
Okay, you can see my little phone. I made it. Okay, you can see this at the back. Okay, got a little bit messed up, a little bit down in there. Actually, where's my tablet? My tablet. Okay, you see this? Where is it? I need my little tablet. It found the phone.
If you want to play, start with me. Comment it.
This is it. This is the back of it.
That might be
Tell me right in the comments below, which one do you like? This one or this one? And in the comments below, subscribe. The next, one of these episodes, I want to show you how to make these. I'm going to make more of these for you guys. I'm going to make a video showing how to make one of these. Okay, go over the phone. Okay, this is the tablet. My tablet with the rainbow thing. Now, my phone is already over there. And I hope you like this little video I made. This is just like a little video how to show you these. And I hope you like these little guys. And my characters are always my user is always an Animal Jam Snow Husky 12395. And I hope you love that jammer. And I hope you love this video with my little phones. If you want to make Harry's phone, just put in the comments how and what these tools you are using, what are you to use.
And everyone has it.
And this is them. And I hope you enjoy this video.